Whoa, look at those birds. They look pretty weird. I want to see if they're alive. They look pretty alike to me. Whoa, God, what's your problem? Okay. Shut up. I wish so badly that I could swing on that swing or that swing. But those dumb birds just won't let me. I'll have to come back when they're not here. They're not here. Now is my chance. How do you get onto this thing? Whee! This is so much fun. Ouch. How do I get out? Do I just have to lay here all day? What if those birds come back? What will I do? I have to find a way to get out. Good. I was able to get out safe. Wait a minute. I think I see something, but I feel my vision is a little bit blurry. It's not. I see them. Those two birds. They're up there. What am I gonna do now? I have to get back. Help me! Help me! Please. I'm coming. Can somebody help me? I need somebody to help me, and I need them to do it now. Hey, Penguin, you gonna help me? I'll take that as a yes. Hey, where are you taking me? Put me down. Help me! Help me! Help me! Please! Please! Please help me! Please help me! I have the feeling that I'm going to fall. Ah! I think a human hand just brought me down. Hey, let me go! Let me go! Well, guess this is the end.